Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Supabase to Claude AI. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. Starting from a fresh chat is helpful because it puts you in the main workspace and makes it easier to access the settings you need without any distractions. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In the left navigation, click on Customize. This section is where Claude lets you manage tools, preferences, and integrations that expand what it can connect to. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface. After opening the Customize area, click on Connectors. Connectors are what allow Claude to link with external platforms and services, including Supabase. This is the section where you can view existing connections or add new ones. Next, move to the top right area of the Connectors page and click Add. This starts the process of creating a new connection. If you already have other connectors listed here, don't worry. That's normal. You're simply adding another service to the list. Once the Add menu opens, click on Browse Connectors. This will show you the available services that Claude can connect with. Think of this as the library of supported integrations. From here, you'll be able to search instead of scrolling manually, which is usually much faster. In the search field, type Supabase. As you enter the name, the list should narrow down and display the matching connector. Be sure to spell it correctly so the correct result appears right away. When Supabase appears in the results, click on Supabase. This opens the specific connector page for that service, where Claude will show the option to begin linking your account or workspace. From there, click Connect. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary depending on your account status or how Supabase handles authorization, so just proceed carefully through each screen. In most cases, you'll be asked to review permissions and confirm that you want Claude to access the connection. Once you finish the on-screen authorization, your Supabase connector should be added to Claude. At that point, the connection is ready for use within Claude's supported workflows. If something doesn't connect on the first try, simply go back to the connectors section and repeat the process slowly, making sure each prompt is completed before moving on. That's it for connecting Supabase to Claude AI.